Ever wondered how some faceless YouTube creators pump out 3 high-quality videos daily, while others struggle for a week on just one? It's not about working harder, it's about the system. Usually, an AI story video takes 5 hours to produce. Today, I'm showing you how to finish it in under 10 minutes. Instead of manually copying every prompt, I found a way to generate and download 50 scenes with one single click. Most importantly, your character will stay perfectly consistent in every scene. This isn't just another tutorial. This is the automation blueprint that separates the top creators from the rest in 2026. I've gathered the best prompts and free tools for you right here. Don't waste a second, because your production speed is about to skyrocket. Let's start with step 1. First, I head to ChatGPT and use a custom prompt to generate a children's story. Don't stress about the wording. I've linked all the prompts in a Google Drive for you. Once the plot is set, I ask it to produce 20 scene scripts in a specific layout. It lists the scene number, the exact narration so I know where to place clips during editing, and a Disney Pixar-style image prompt. For the next part, we need to extract those image prompts individually, just like my example. I'll explain the logic in a moment, but essentially I ask ChatGPT for the raw image prompts without the freeze image prompt. I hit generate and let it wrap up. Now let's trigger our automation. Search for Auto Whisk on Google and hit the Chrome web store link. Click Add to Chrome to get the extension. If you enjoy finding AI shortcuts that supercharge your workflow, hit that subscribe button now. I have many more of these coming. Next, head to the Whisk site at labs.google and enter the tool. All links are in the video description for easy access. If you need a deep dive into Whisk, I have a full tutorial you can watch right here. Back to the main guide. Click the Auto Whisk icon, set the language to English, then head back to ChatGPT and copy 4 of those prepared image prompts. We do this because the extension treats every new line as a separate prompt, allowing you to batch process a massive list in one go. Let's see it in action. I'll click the rocket icon for version 7.6.0 and paste my text. You'll see the tool automatically splits the lines into 4 distinct tasks. For settings, I'll choose landscape aspect ratio and keep the image count at 1. I'll hit start and let the generation run. As images finish, they save automatically to a dedicated Whisk folder in your downloads. Our first 4 look great, but there's a massive flaw. Notice it? Exactly. The boy looks different in every shot. Character inconsistency is a video killer. But don't worry, I have the fix. First, a challenge. Explore the Auto Whisk extension and see if you can solve this on your own. If you figure it out, drop it in the comments so I can see who's really paying attention. All right, here's the solution.
See you in the comments.
To lock in your character's look, you first need a standing photo on a white background. I asked ChatGPT for a Disney Pixar-style character prompt based on our story, then generate that character and whisk. I have a full course on this if you want to master it. Next, I copy all 20 scene prompts into Auto Whisk. It detects 20 scenes perfectly. I set the aspect ratio, and then, this is the key, click the Reference Image option. I upload my 2 consistent characters and name them. Once I hit start, the batch process begins. The results? Incredible. Milo looks identical in every single image. Perfection. Now for the voiceover. I copy the script to https://astudio.google.com and use the text-to-audio feature with Gemini. I select the Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview and the Enceladus voice. In the instructions, I specify a storytelling tone for children, then run and download the audio. I bring the audio and images into CapCut Pro or whatever editor you like. Pro tip: AI isn't perfect. If a couple of images don't look right, just regenerate them until they do. Quality control is what makes a video professional. Now, watch these Grock settings closely. This is where the magic happens. We aren't just animating, we're adding cinematic camera work. Take your time here, as precision makes your video look like a real movie. Back in ChatGPT, I upload that camera movement file and ask it to suggest the best motion prompt for every scene in my script for Grock. It gives me 20 specific motion cues. I open Grock, but first I go to Settings, Behavior, and disable Automatic Video Generation to maintain control. In the Imagine section, I set the ratio to 16:9 and ensure video is selected. I copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, drag in my first photo, and hit Generate. The result is stunning. I repeat this for all 20 scenes, giving each one a cinematic feel. I download them, swap the still photos in CapCut Pro with these motion clips, align them with the narration, and export. Ready to see the final product? Let's watch the steady steps of Milo.
Steps of Milo. Milo was a small boy with big dreams and short patience. Every afternoon, he raced toward the hill behind his home, hoping to reach the top faster than the day before. Each time he grew tired, his legs burned, and he stopped halfway, disappointed and dusty. One day, while resting near a patch of tall grass, Milo noticed a turtle moving slowly along the path. The turtle carried its home on its back and traveled without hurry, placing one foot forward and then the next. Milo watched as minutes passed, and the turtle continued, never stopping, never turning back. The hill did not change, and the path did not grow easier. Still, the turtle kept going. Milo stood up and brushed the dirt from his knees. He decided to try again, but this time he focused on steady steps instead of speed. He climbed without rushing, breathing deeply, paying attention to each